caught myself in the street walking, said hello and started talking. Yeah, we talked a while, then I went back home, but I knew I'd see him there. He was a good feller, a friend of mine. The crop's gone fading and the milk's gone bad. You should have seen a nice little farm he had. He sold it to the company bank and he went to California. Silicon Valley. He took first sail across the ocean and left without a warning or notion. He left his wife, he left his dog, and he left his catfish. He was a good fish, had him for 16 years. But I'll never leave mine. She's $1 million baby, only cost me a dime. No, I know a man called the Railroad Jim. He loved the girl, she loved him. He put her in the back of his truck and he rode to California. Another man called Greedy Lou. He bought his wife a brand new pair of shoes. He took her somewhere far away from here, and he sold her for 3 camels and a bottle of beer. Now I might be crazy, but I'll never sell mine. She's $1 million baby, only cost me a dime. Now I might be crazy,